Wow, dude, you are dating the secretary at your office. That's quite amazing. Chinese saying something like either two hawks, 一箭双雕. Literally means kill two birds with one stone. Time for today's real idiom Mandarin. 一箭双雕 actually means multitask master. Wow, that girl enjoyed the beach and have a Zoom call now. So she is 一箭双雕. Exactly, 一箭双雕. You can study Mandarin while you are running on your third mile. 一箭双雕. Use this idiom whenever you multitask with double benefit. Remember, enjoy. Quite important. Jessica just dating her dream buddy. So she is 一箭双雕. But I cannot say 一箭双雕 when I join Taylor Swift concert, but I'm too busy with my emails, right? You get it. That is another idiom in Chinese. You will see it for the next video. What is your best multitask mover? 一箭双雕. Comment with 一箭双雕. You will get a bonus. 一箭双雕.